Basically today, we fucked it.
Can't afford to buy a house, so we bought a boat. It's rusty and it's dated, but at least it floats. So follow our adventure as we build our home. Welcome to the channel, it's Project Bluey.
Not the most productive day ever. We had
a little setback, the shower wall.
Oh, I am actually quite blessed.
Yeah, well, I wiped it. I wiped it around.
I managed to do this. I don't even know what this is, but I got hit by a bit of shrapnel.
Let me see your injury bit. But yeah, let's put a plaster on that as well. I'll do it for you, I think. Yeah. Want me to do it? Yeah, that's not bleeding anymore, I don't think.
And it was. Mariah smashed her ankle.
Yeah.
We've had our first injury. What happened, Mariah?
I was too aggressive.
Mariah was ripping apart the shower, as you can see, and she slipped and she's twisted her ankle.
It was that beam on the wall, and there was movement in it, and then I positioned myself and I pulled it off, but as I pulled it off, I also snapped my ankle.
Yeah, poor little babes.
Yeah.
Well, not a tragedy, luckily just a twisted ankle, but we've bandaged her ankle, given her a cup of tea and some pills, and she's on the mend. Feeling good? Maybe good isn't the right word.
I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna get there.
Yeah. Well, such is boat renovation. Basically today, we fucked it.
Well, I mean, we didn't, because the shower wall was a bitch.
Yeah, the shower wall was also probably the hardest bit to get out that we've had to try and get out so far.
I think it took like 2 hours or more.
The shower wall was very well installed.
Glued.
Put it that way. So it's time to retreat, fuel up, tend to our wounds, and come back strong again tomorrow for more boat renovation action. Yay. If you'd like to help us turn this boat into our forever home, then we are selling T-shirts on our website. All proceeds will go towards this project.